You see him crashing down. Crash down. Coming up. He's coming up. Coming in the middle. Hold the brakes there, bud, when you can. Check front, watch easier, low inside. Yeah, collect it up here.
See the view he has.
Still two.
Oh, he's been told two. The whole time he's been told two. He's got the spotter.
Yeah, he knows he's got two guys out there if he's listening to the spotter.
Ready, guys.
But the 24 just gave him no room.
Wow. That was violent.
Now you know what it's like to wreck at Daytona going into turn 3.
Middle, check up below. Yeah, we got spun from behind. Who's that rolling? Still inside. 99% here. And stay there.
Whoa.
P2.
Pretty hard contact.
Hang on. Damn it. Yellow's out, back it down here, back it down. Spin is on the bottom, track is clear.
Got hung in the outside. Nowhere to go really for all these trucks.
Onboard, so he's high already. All right, so we mentioned that treatment. No one has been up there. What a heavy impact for Haley. Watch that red car get loose. Oh, yeah. And it happens that quick.
Go middle, easy. Go low, easy, low.
Oh, jeez.
Hold your line.
Oh, he was past the crash.
Hold on to it there. Keep digging. There's a caution.
See how tight his angle is?
Bottom 3. Hang on.
Two pretty significant hits. One with Alfredo, one with the outside wall.
Whoa. Somebody made contact. Wow. That was contact on the inside.
And when you're on the outside, you're just victim to it. And Chase Briscoe did everything. You did a nice job keeping down the fence here. Unfortunately, not the outcome they wanted. Ruined their tires, flat spotted. So take it easy going back. And
Sounds like it looks like the...
He sees him get loose off two, so he's going to swoop to the inside. But Self wasn't really happy about the turn one situation.
That almost looked like a hook, didn't it?
It definitely looked like a hook.
Yeah, we're setting off at turn 3. He's going to be down. I see. Coming outside here. Coming outside. Still green. Right front down. Left side even. Hold on to it. Lock it down. Rolling slow.
Just going for it, giving it all he had.
Clear middle if needed. You're all clear on the top. Both sides. Hang tight there, hang tight. down now. Lock it down.
Right here, you look, everything's fine, everything's fine. Never even sees it coming. The 98 of Briscoe gets him in the left rear, and then, oh, heavy contact.
Watch him in front here, still inside to your right, to your right, to your right.
Brad Kozlowski being very vocal as we ride along with Bubba Wallace and see what a driver's perspective is like.
See how quickly he reacted when he got caught. He sees.
Working here. Outside, outside. Outside, outside.
Yeah, he was just in trouble.
Clear low, clear
You
low,
know,
clear low.
Late entrance here. Listen real quick. Right there, you heard a slight lockup of a tire, and I think he went to react to that lockup of the tire. And when he went into third gear to down,
spotter. Well, Ross Chastain says I'm here, and he grabs that line, and it just put Harrison just too close to Moffitt, and it just simply spun him around.
is that just...
Dive, 5 and just wiped us out. 22 locked them up and wiped us. Try to stay on the gravel. Straight. Keep in it. All right, right. Oh, nothing coming. Nothing you can do there. 22 out of... Trying to get us pump back around right there. You got 3 coming at you, then you got a little gap.
Car back to pit road. As you see right here, he spins out, and you mentioned it, Jeff. How fortunate for the two of Austin Dillon not to make contact. I thought for sure that was going to happen.
That's just a bad angle right there, Phil. When you enter the corner that low.
Keep it up there, keep it up there, keep it up there, keep it up there, keep it up there. You're all right. Lift right here. Hold the brake, straight. Get it rolling here when you can.